السلام عليكم. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. Today we will learn about Etimad online portal for annual.
Subscribe now.
Welcome back to Etimad online portal taking a ticket booking part 2. Let's start without wasting any time. Now enter etimad.sa and then click to individual sign in. Enter your Ikama ID in this box. Open your Nafad mobile application and match the digit showing over here. If you don't have mobile app, then click below and enter your Upshur credential for login. Enter your temporary password in this box and follow up. Now we are in Etimad portal. Click on New Boarding Order. Select your entity and then select type of your request and then mention your reason for traveling. Select your trip type and choose your file attachment. Put some comments in description part. Now click on looking at escorts, then add your dependent here and click on save and follow up. You can find your dependent information here and continue. Click save and follow up. Now you will find undertaking option. Check this and then create the request. Now click on view boarding orders. Your request is here. You can see the complete details here. Now your process started. Wait for the approval. Once agent will approve, then you can start the next process. I will share the rest of process in part 3. Stay tuned.